Look at it, because in the next 30 seconds, you're going to see how I got this for free. Yes, you heard that right. I said free. Nothing. Nada. Niente. Take a look on Amazon, and you'll see that it's selling for $2,694. Whoa! Now that's a lot of cheddar. But as I said, I didn't pay a single red cent for this device. Instead, I got this $2,000 laptop delivered to me for free by Amazon. And listen, I don't blame you if you're feeling skeptical. After all, products promising wild results are being released every day. So you might be wondering, how did I pull this off? How did I get this MacBook that costs well over $2,000 for free? Well, you're going to see the secret up my sleeve, right here, right now. And after 11 months of development, it's finally here. Introducing AzCashCode. AzCashCode is the world's first system that's sending us $50 to $100 Amazon gift card codes for free every single hour, like clockwork. Once we've received these codes, all we have to do is copy and paste them into our Amazon account and hit the redeem button. After that, it's all smooth sailing from there. As you can see, there's $23,255.30 in my Amazon account balance, ready to be spent on anything we want. Whether it's electronics, apparel, food, or even furniture, we can get it for free on Amazon. Because we're getting these free Amazon gift card codes every single hour, and they never stop coming in. So how does it work? Why am I receiving $50 to $100 gift card codes in my email every single day? You see, Amazon, like any business, needs one thing to make money, and those are website visitors, also called traffic. We send Amazon new visitors, and they pay us in gift cards for bringing them new business. Or, if you aren't into gift cards, they can deposit money to your bank account as well. But hold your horses for just a moment. If you're thinking, Wesley, how do I send Amazon new website visitors? I have no idea how to get traffic. The good news is, you can set those worries aside, because we've eliminated that problem for you. My team of developers busted their butts for 11 months to put together one of the most powerful traffic generation systems to ever exist. When active, it gets us free visitors from sources like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, to name a few, with just the press of one button. And all we have to do is direct this traffic to Amazon. Then they give us $50 to $100 gift cards over, and over again, because we're bringing them new business. Yes, it's that simple. You don't have to mess around with bullcrap like solo ads, paying for traffic, or spamming friends or family with your links. When has that stuff ever worked for you anyway? AzCashCode is light years ahead of that all. So how much is this going to cost you? Well, originally, we planned on selling access to AzCashCode for $297 per month. And that would be a fair price. After all, we're getting $50 to $100 Amazon gift cards over and over, like a well-oiled machine. So it would quickly pay for itself. But listen, I know what it's like to struggle, which is the exact reason why I'm determined to help thousands of new people like you to finally succeed this year. So as my way of paying it forward, I want to make AzCashCode accessible to everyone. I know how well it works, and that's why I feel obligated to provide this at a price that anyone can afford. So you're not going to pay $297 per month. You won't pay $197 per month. Not $97 per month. Not $37 per month. Heck, you won't even pay a monthly fee at all. I'm going to make you a crazy offer right now. If you hop on board with me right now, you'll gain full access to AzCashCode for just a low, one-time investment. That's the same price of a t-shirt at Walmart or a few drinks at Starbucks. And why does this tiny commitment matter when you're getting access to the same system that's getting us big-ticket items for free on Amazon? Every single day, we're getting new $50 to $100 gift card codes, and we're able to spend this on anything we want. For instance, today, I got my daughter a PS5 for her birthday. Out of pocket, this would have been over $1,000, but I got it for free because of AzCashCode. And now you have the opportunity to get your hands on this exact system at a price that anyone can afford However, you cannot delay. I want this discount to only be available to action takers. I'll be blunt with you, I do not want tire kickers in my community. I want people who are ready to take action, because those are the ones who I can help. So if you're one of those people, then go ahead and get a copy of AzCashCode. Now, if you're still on the fence and you're not sure if AzCashCode will work for you, I understand your concerns. There's so much nonsense out there designed to do nothing but empty your pockets. So to remove all risk from your end, I'm going to give you a full 365-day money-back guarantee. If you get AzCashCode and don't feel like it's worth at least 5 times of what you paid for, or if you weren't able to get the results you wanted, then we don't deserve your money. Just take 10 seconds to send a message to our support, and every penny you paid will be refunded to your original payment method. On top of that all, for wasting your time, we'll throw in a $250 Amazon gift card. There's no way for you to lose here. The ball is now in your court, my friend, so here's how you can get started. Click the bright, big yellow button below this video. It'll look something like this. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a checkout page that looks like this. Just take 10 seconds to fill out these details and choose any payment method. Once you've done that, you're in. There are no flaming hoops to jump through. You'll be able to immediately take advantage of AzCashCode. I'll show you all the ins and outs of this offer. There is no risk with our 365-day money-back guarantee. So with that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below this video to get AzCashCode before the price goes back to $297 monthly. I'll see you inside.
Hey, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Guess what? This is my baby girl. We're in Orlando here, and I thought I will hook all my JVs up, you big head, with my next lunch AzCashCode. We're gonna make some money, baby. You like money? Of course, we all like money all day here. So we're in freaking Orlando. My other daughter, she's upstairs. Check out, we're in a nice little mansion here. And listen, God is good. We're grateful. But listen, get ready to make a ton of money. Look in the link to the right, to the left, or below, and go ahead and get your link. Remember, never forget this, young people, because I know it's some new JVs, some old JVs. Never give up on your dream. Why? Because my why is right here. I do it for her, right? Because this is my girl. Whatever she wants, I give it to her, right? And I want you to understand that your girl, your baby boy, deserve to have the life that they deserve. Better than yours. I didn't grow up like this. I was poor, unfortunately, here. But it's my responsibility to be rich. And guess what? It's yours as well. Let's go. Woo!
Tell me what you want, what you need. 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 Tell me. I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last stand.